Welcome to my channel, welcome to my page, welcome to my platform, wherever you find this video. In this video, we're going to be discussing debt validation and creditor's disclosure statement. Now, this is in lieu to the video that I made talking about collection debt collectors fraudulent, collection companies fraud. So now, this is how to address that when you're actually dealing. So just look, before I move forward, this video are not for children, and this is not to be constitute. This is not anti-government, nor does it constitute as legal advice. Now moving forward, get a pen and paper, pencil, paper, notepad, book, wherever you have. I'm only gonna do this one time. This is for the cover letter for your collection, for the collections company that actually called you or reported to you, or you're dealing with that based upon whether it been from like a debt, like from bills and shit like that, or mortgage, or not even a mortgage, for collections companies, probably for credit companies, credit card companies, other stuff that end up being on your credit report, on your actual file. And so this is the cover letter that you would put when you send it to those companies. You will put the certified registered mail number on the top, and you will put from you, your information, and then the letter will begin as, to whom it may concern. I, the above mentioned and required by the corresponding date, blank, the day of. Encloses are the creditor disclosure statement in accordance to Title 15 United USC 1692 to 1694. My credit has been accessed and I need for disclosure before making any further consideration concerning any collections effort on behalf of corporation. I grant 14 days for a signed form to be sent to my address to be determined before any collections efforts. Failure to do so shall constitute commercial fraud, and I shall sue for damages concerning fraudulent business practices of the consumer law. Please see 15 USC 1692-1694. Fair Debts Collection Practices Act. Silence is attached to admission that you will owe me, the creditor, for the fee total in the history of the debt sold to your LLC or corporation, which makes me the owed and injured party due to fraudulent practices. Please contact me specifically in writing concerning the account number, and just put a blank and just fill it in. This correspondence will be used as evidence concerning any further legal proceedings, as I have no contract with you or your LLC, nor authorization to access my credit account, which in of itself constitutes fraud, or you may send me a check for the reference number above mentioned, as I have given the opportunity to cure in good faith. Please return the form assigned attached, for I will give consideration as to furtherance to this matter. Further collections attempts without full disclosure means that the contract cannot be enforced by law. Enclosed is a creditor disclosure statement in which I need returned and signed on the behalf of the corporation it is. Failure to comply will result in federal court proceedings. Please forward a copy of the creditor disclosure statement to me as address. Further notice will be considered harassment. This correspondence is written in accordance to the Fair Debts Collecting Practices Act of 1692 through 1694. At the bottom, you would put your name, the secure party without recourse. You should see 1-308. That's just a letter, just to basically fill that. That was just basically the form, the letter that you will type up, draft for your furtherance in regards to addressing debt collectors that seek to call you up and ask you for talking about you owe debt collection and shit like that. No, they have them send that shit in the mail. Don't call me. Need tangible proof from a collections company in regards to dealing with shit on your credit report. If you got somebody reporting shit on your credit report every single month, they're making a profit off of that. So you want to motherfucking address that because they're going to keep trying to call you. That's harassment. No one will be bothered with that. So that was the cover letter. So on the creditor's disclosure statement itself, you'll put the name and address of the collector, who is the assignee, the name and address of the debtor, what is the account numbers, what are the terms of assignment for this account. You may attach any similes records or any similar records relating to such terms. Each question is basically a questionnaire that they have to answer. That's really what it is. So back to explaining what else is. The next question: has any insurance claims been made by any creditor or assignee regarding this account? Yes or no? Has the purported balance of this account has been used in any tax deduction claims? Yes or no? Please list the particular products or services sold by the collector to the debtor in the dollar amount each. And that's basically the questionnaire. And well, each question, when you fill out the form, just put lines there so they can answer it. So this is what you put at the bottom of that the questionnaire. It's not even a question. It's really not a questionnaire. It's basically set up like one. But however, it's a creditor disclosure statement in itself. But this is what you put at the bottom of that form. I'll show you an example. This is what it look like. So also, in conclusion, upon failure or refusal of collector to validate this collections action, collector agrees to waive all claims against the debtor named herein and pay debtor for all costs and attorney's fees involved in defending this action. Please return this completed form and attach all assignments and all transfers agreements that will establish the right to collect this debt. Your claim cannot be considered for any portion of this form if it is not completed and returned with required documents. Also, this is a request for validation in pursuant to the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. If you do not respond as required by law, your claim will not be considered, and you may be liable for damages for continued collections efforts. Please allow 30 days for processing at the receipt of your request. And at the bottom, you put your signature and the time and date. Once you send that out, you can basically give them 10 business days. And after you give them 10 business days and they fail to respond back to that in that timely manner, you can send a letter of default in, file the tort, take their ass to court. Get your paper. Straight like that. So, for serious inquiries only, you can hit me up on how to actually do the my video and explaining it. Cause when I show the forms online and shit, then people be stealing shit and then making it up and then using it for their own products and shit, and then going over like nah. So if you want the form, you gotta hit me up and I'll send you copies. Email omniflex789@gmail.com or mvo2b@proton.me. So those are my the first one is the business account is the business email. Second one is the business email. It's my personal business email, and the MVO2B is my business email. So as if So that's if you are a serious inquiry. I don't like to be my time. I don't like to have my time wasted. So now, with that being said, there are people that do hit me up that actually are serious inquiries, and then I have experienced times where people would just bullshit it. So what happens is sometimes the information that I share and disclose is basically is a lot of it. So sometimes in certain sessions do not get done. One inquiry sometimes may be more than one. It might have be a follow up if I can't help you manage to get what you need, what you're trying to acquire or trying to accomplish done. So that's only I don't like because my time is. I appreciate my time and I value my time as well because I have a life myself. So if you're a person that inquires and hits me up and you're not somebody that's you and you're not taking this serious, or you playing wasting my time, I will block you. And I will not work with you ever again. Like I will literally delete the email, delete your number, block your number, all that. I will not accept I will accept no donations from you or nothing. No debt, no donations, no tips, no nothing. But other than that though, have a nice day. Have a great day, evening or night. Wherever time this video I made, I found you.